Hey, Kenny with Helicopter Line Ground School. It has arrived. Just got a notification, home working on a computer. Here we go. Let's go open this bad boy up. So, unscripted unboxing video. You've seen the other versions, the first version that we made at home, then we had a paperback copy come and we thought, nah, let's do spiral bound. So here we go. I didn't cheat, I didn't look yet. Nice packaging, I like it. We believe we're gonna have the company that made this, we're gonna let them handle the shipping and all that, orders, so on and so forth. So here we go, coming out of the box. Ooh, nice plastic wrapper on it. Spiral bound. HOGS logo on the back. And I can't see the tabs quite yet because they've got some kind of protective cover on there. So let's open this dude up. All right, use the scissors there to open up the plastic. Very nice, I like the packaging. Pull that off. This must be a cover here to help protect the tabs. Ooh, nice. Okay, so that can be scrapped. A little dusty looking stuff on there, but hey, so here we go. There's the cover, Private Pilot Study Guide. A picture of the HOGS Wall of Fame on the front, just because we're so proud of it and it's a big part of Helicopter Line Ground School. Again, logo on the back. Ooh, real nice spiral bound. That's not no cheapie. Got the best that I could. So let's take a look. So far, so good. I like the quality. Cover's nice. Here is your table of contents. Table of contents. Man, I can't talk. Brian does a little introduction here about what's going to happen. Here's something you haven't seen yet. We added definitions and abbreviations. People have asked for this inside HOGS quite often. So we know this is something that people want and have been asking for. So there's that. And then he's got an overview. And then there we go. Here's the first chapter, certificates and documents. Let's take a look at these tabs on the side. Airworthiness requirements. Whoops, sorry. Certificates and documents. Airworthiness requirements. Weather information. Cross country. I like it. Airspace. Performance and limitations. Operation of systems. Aeromedical factors, and then the last one, general aerodynamics. So you got that nice separation with the tabs. I like, yes, good paper, which is what I asked for, the best paper they could put in it. So overall, I think we're gonna call it good on the covers, front and back. The production, general production of it, the tabs I like. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna open it up and go page to page and look at it. Brian's copy is arriving today, but I'm in Indiana, he's in California. So I'm gonna have a chance for the next hour or so to take a look, go through, and the only thing I'm concerned about at this point is formatting. We've been over the content over and over and over. I'm only concerned about formatting. If the formatting's good, we'll have it live soon. We're gonna let the manufacturer of the book actually take the orders. So I don't have that built yet. Shouldn't take too long. So that's what we're gonna do. So we will have it ready soon, hopefully. If I have to make any kind of a formatting change, it's a matter of changing the original document, send it to the company, and I don't think it'll take long, even if we have to do one more edit. But I talked to Brian this morning, and he said he knows I'm anxious to get it out there, right? And he's like, well, let's both take a look at it and go through it. And if we got to submit one more file, we will. And I said, okay. So there you go. We're close. Overall first impression, heck yeah, gonna be a nice book. So I am Kenny Keller, creator of Helicopter Line Ground School. Heather's still taking your phone calls. You can text or call Heather, who is our HOGS member concierge. She can take care of your questions. 574-767-1797. We have Daniel Hastings on board that works with our one-on-one programs where we have professional pilot and then some accelerated programs. Heather can hook you up a time to talk with Daniel. If you're ready for signing up, just to go with our monthly memberships where you can sign up and just consume, go to helicopterground.com below. And I will also throw down below free PDF for top 10 check ride tips. And I'll put down there a link for the paperback copy where we just charge you $7 shipping and handling. Basically, the book's free, and we ship you the book. I'll put that link down below as well. So I'm going to start reading. Tonight, I'll confer with Brian. We'll make our decision is it ready, or we need one more edit before we say it's on. All right. Peace out. See you next video.